guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I have some new goodies that I picked up recently at Hobby Lobby, and I'm so excited to film this video for you guys. It's gonna be sort of like a walkthrough, not a walkthrough, a flip through. That's the word. It's gonna be a flip through of the goodies I picked up at Hobby Lobby. These are the new collections that dropped at Hobby Lobby exclusively. Michaels don't have it, and I'm not sure if Joanne Fabric has it. I just know that Hobby Lobby has it. I was blessed enough to be able to go through 3 boxes of new goodies for the Happy Planet at Hobby Lobby, and these are the ones that actually caught my mind, and that caught my eye, and I really wanted to have them. They did have planners and stuff like that, but like I feel like I have enough planners already. I didn't need another planner, and besides, I'm not a fan of an 18-month planner, and those are the ones that are coming out with. They're coming with 18-month planner starting in July 2019. So without further ado, I just want to show you what I picked out and give you guys like a little flip through of the new items that are dropping at Hobby Lobby. So if you guys want to see what items I picked up, first off, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit subscribe down there so you can be part of my beautiful girlfriend squad here on YouTube. And let's go ahead and get started. So I picked up 5 items from their collection. I was going to pick more, but I just felt like it was too much money. It was too much to expand. So I was like, all right, I'll just get them some of the time. These ones here are the ones that I really wanted to get, that caught my eye, and I know that I'm going to use a lot. So let's go ahead and start with the first thing that I have here. I picked out, I'm just going to tell you really quick what I picked out. I picked out this journaling notebook. I picked out one of their new sticker booklets. I picked out one of their stickers, sticky notes, and notepad. Pretty much accessory books is what it's called. I picked up these 2 planner ones right here, and I'm going to go through them really quick. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that one to the side, and let's go ahead and talk about this one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This one here is called the journaling, and I thought it was awesome because I love to journal, and I don't know how to draw for nothing in the world. And just to know that this here was like pretty much for journaling, I was just like, yes. So this one really caught my eye. They have a couple more. I hate when this happens. They have a couple of more, but this one caught my eye. In here in the camera, the lights are washing it off, but it is actually rose gold. It says hooray for today, and it's actually foiled in rose gold. I don't know why in the camera it looks silver. Maybe there. And I love the fact that these discs, even though they're plastic, they're also rose gold discs. So I just thought that was pretty, and I was like, yes, I need to have it. So it's purple with rose gold foils, and then of course we have the inside, which they all look the same. Let me just go ahead and remove this. Okay, so as usual, we have the little note from the Happy Planner. So here it is. It says we have 1, 2, 3, 4. It actually has 4 dividers, and I'm not sure why the dividers are like so like on like the top part. As you can see, they're just pretty much from here to here, and we don't have any here, but we'll figure it out why. Plan a happy life #1. So that's pretty much what it says. So this is what we have in the front. The first page, it says, the last time you washed sheets and beddings, cleaned out fridge, got the car an oil change, got a physical checkup, cleaned out the closet. And then it gives you options so you can like write other things here, and it gives you the dates and stuff like that. Right off the bat, it has these doodlings actually have this. I have the stickers from these. We have graph paper. We have line here. Oh my god, guys, this is like legit bullet journal type. Like, if you're like me and you don't know how to draw for crap, this and want a bullet journal, this is your go-to. Look at this, how beautiful this is. This is pretty much what a freaking bullet journal is about, guys. And then we have here, oh my god, this is like, I am so obsessed with this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can even do like week on 2 pages, and then just kind of do one for notes or tracking, and then you can do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then notes. And you can do the same thing here. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. So we have other graph paper. So the beginning of this one is just pretty much all that, and then we have graph papers to kind of like have you draw if you want. The next one, it says hooray, and it has like purple polka dots, and it also has the same thing. It says the last time you blank, and then it pretty much has, I mean, it's pretty much guess it has the same thing. All right, so they all pretty much have the same thing, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yeah. Then over here as well. Yeah. So they all have the same thing. Now, I don't know what I'm going to be using this for because they all have the same thing. And I'm not sure yet, but I just think that this is pretty cool. This is pretty dope, guys. I just think this is dope. I wish they had like extra paper with more of the journaling graphics and stuff like that, so you can actually stick it in here. So that's pretty much it. That is what it has. This notebook is about. This includes 60 sheets of paper, 4 dividers, 20 theme pages. That's pretty cool. I actually love it. This one, I got it at $9.99. Was retail for $9.99. So this is pretty dope. I like it. It's the same size of a mini happy planner. See, the next one we're going to talk about is the 2 other ones I picked out. So this one right here is the Faith Happy Notes, and I really wanted to get back into faith planning. I did it 2 years ago, and it was great. And I want to get into faith planning. And when I saw this, I said this is perfect because it's not another planner, guys. This is an actual faith freaking notebook. Like, I'm so obsessed. So this one also has 3 dividers. And then here we have some sort of like blossoms, watercolor sort of thing. And then in this first section, they all have the same one. So you have a scripture, you have observation, application, and prayer. So this can probably be like your daily devotional. So when you're like probably praying and stuff like that, and reading the Bible, this is going to be like your daily devotional because all the pages are like that. And the awesome thing is in the back, you have like a whole full page of notes. So I thought that was pretty cool. The next tab along, it will be sermon notes. So if you are like in church and you're just like me that you like to take notes, this will definitely be for you. But check out the back. We have loving well this others, God, others, me, and then you have a daily action tracker. So did you do your daily readings? Did you do your daily prayer? And did you do your daily gratitude? So I thought this was pretty cool. Blessings this week and so grateful for. So that is pretty much what's on the second tab. Let's move on to the third tab. It says live a quiet life and work with your hands. 1 Thessalonians 4:11. This is pretty dope, guys. Like, I have to tell you, I'm excited about this. And then the last one is just pretty much graph paper. I guess you can do like more journaling and stuff in here, more note-taking, more freehand note-taking and whatever. And what I noticed about this one is that they actually have the mini happy planner disc. So they have discs are the ones that they have for this one. I'm not sure how I feel about the purple. I do have extra blacks. I probably I don't know. We'll see which ones I add on because I'm not a fan of the purple. I mean, it does match the flowers, but I'm not a fan of purple. But I mean, the inside, it is mostly purple. So we'll see what happens if I stay with those rings. And the last notebook I picked out is this one right here. And this one is also called journaling. So this one is the same thing of this one. I'm pretty sure because they're all happy notes. Yeah. So this one is the same thing as this one, but bigger, and this one smaller. So let's see what this one looks like on the inside. This one actually has 4 sections. This one has 4 sections. And the rings are the gold rings. They're also plastics. They're not like metal. And then here we have some quote. It says it's not about having time, it's about making time. Oh, I like that quote. So then the sheets are pretty much the same thing, as you can see. It is the same thing than the little one. I don't know if I want to stay with this one actually because I thought it was different, but we'll see if I stay with this one. I do like the fact that it's bigger, but I don't know what I'll use it for since I already have the same sort of layout on this one. and I like it the fact that I have it smaller. Or maybe, just maybe, I can probably detach this one and put it in my personal happy planner and then stay with this one. I don't know. We'll see what I'll end up doing. But pretty much it's the same thing. Let me see. This actually has a quote here. This is pretty. Focus on what matters. Great timing can happen when you have the courage to be yourself. So yeah, they have 4 different dividers, different tabs actually, and they're all the same type of thing. So again, I don't know what I'll probably use it for. Let's see if it's something I'll stay with, because I was not aware that this in the inside was the same one as the small happy planner. But this is pretty cute. This is the bigger version. So if you like carrying a bigger notebook and you like to do like sort of journaling or bullet journaling, you can either do both. You can either do the big one or you can do the little one. But this is pretty dope. I just thought it was cool. Alright, so to finish off, we're going to talk about the 2 booklets I picked up. The first one is the Faith Warrior. I saw it. I wasn't able to get the Faith Warrior sticker booklets the first time around, so when I saw the accessory book, I said, okay, I need to have it. So this one has stickers, sticky notes, and notepads, and there's 828 pieces in its thing. So this opens up like this, and you have here your sticky notes. These are pretty cool. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of sticky notes. Then you have these here that says keywords, remember this. And then here you have a plastic covering, but came out already. So love that some of them are foiled. That's pretty. It gives it a little extra touch. So these are all pretty much for the Faith Planner. Wake and pray, notes today. This is pretty cool. Remember this, sermon by, Bible study, affirmations, little dots. I like those crosses. This is pretty cool. It's actually a rose gold foiling. This is rose gold, just that the camera has not the lights. And then we have, these ones are clear, and then we have a sticker of the girl, of the Faith Warrior. We have more words, quotes, and then we have a sticker sheet of the Faith Warrior. I thought that was cool. So this is pretty dope for my faith planning. I will do a separate video on how I'm going to use that one, because I'm definitely going to stay with that one. And the last booklet I picked up was the only one that really caught my attention. It's the Simply Lovely. It has 813 stickers, and I just thought it was very, very cute, very girly, very nice. So this one, look at those flowers, guys. Those are so cute. Oh my, it has 2 pages of these roses. 3 actually. Wow. And then we have like some banners. Oh my god, guys. That is the reason why I picked up this one. There's many bows in here. It's washies. I love when they have like washies on these. These are foiled. These are not foiled. We have, look at that pretty bow right there, guys. We have some gold foils. These roses here are killing me now for spring and summer. Yes. Look at the paper with the bows. Like, I don't think I'll ever touch these and use these. These are dope as heck. I like these. We have washies. So this is what is inside the Simply Lovely booklet. This was the only one that I saw. They also had the journaling, but I already had journaling, so it's kind of weird to see that in the box. But they had these. They had also this one in the Trendsetter, Go Getter, Mom Life, but I really wanted the Faith Warrior just because I have the other ones in sticker booklets. So yeah, guys, this is what I picked up from Hobby Lobby. They do, like I said, have other planners. The planners are 18-month planners, but I'm not into 18-month planners. They do have different faces to these ones, to this one. To the Faith Warrior, I only saw this one, unfortunately. So, but I'll make it work, guys. But there's more of the faces of this one. There's more faces of this one, and they have pretty also pretty planners. They also have a lot of inserts, new inserts. I didn't pick up any inserts because I didn't know what was inside of this, and they do have a lot of plain paper. But this is pretty much the they had inserts for shores. They had budget inserts. They also had extra note paper for the note. Pretty cool. I was excited to see more on the notes area rather than just focus straight out on planning. But yeah, guys, this is my little haul. This is what I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I will definitely let you guys know what I do with this ones, if I stay with the little one and see how I use it, or I stay with the big one. But I will definitely do a video, guys, on how I'm going to be using and setting up my Faith Warrior, my Faith planning with you guys, because I did a video on this last time and you guys loved it. I'm gonna leave my Instagram down below. It's Planning with Frances, and follow me there. Let's be friends. I love seeing new planner accounts, especially people who deal with happy planners. I just absolutely love it. So if you liked the video, guys, don't forget to give thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe right down there. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking till the end. I'll see you ladies on my following video. Adios.